Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Astrology plays a significant role in our lives whether we know it or not. The position of the sun, moon, and planets plays a significant role in influencing our fate in a year. Makar Rashifal 2020 horoscope reveals that this year will be a year of improvement for you. There has been a lot of things going on in the past that has hindered you from forging ahead, but this year everything will change. Things will change for the better as the year progresses from January up to December 2020. You have been waiting for a miracle, and the miracle is likely to happen before the end of 2020. Makar Rashi natives do not give up easily. They fight and work hard until they get that which they want. 2020 Career Predictions 2020 Makar Rashifal predictions reveal that your career this year will take a turn for the better. The past 2 years have been hectic as you were on the verge of losing your job. This year comes with the hope that your job will be intact. It is upon you to work hard to ensure that by the end of the year, you achieve all your goals. Your family will give you all the assistance you need to forge ahead. It is high time you apply your hidden talents at the workplace for more results. Your fellow employees will also work with you to ensure that everything you do goes according to plan. Makar Rasi 2020 forecasts for health. Health is one of the things that Makar people can boast of, foretells the Rasifal 2020. These people hardly get sick because they take good care of themselves. This year comes with a massive change in weather patterns. Make sure that you do everything possible to ensure that you protect your health. The health of your family members is also important, hence the need for precautionary measures. Ensure that this year finds you fit and psychologically sound. You will have to do away with unnecessary stress that will cause you more pain than gain. Eat a balanced diet, sleep enough, exercise and drink a lot of water for proper hydration of your body. Seek medical attention for minor illnesses, and there will be no problems with your health all year. 2020 Makar Rasi Finance Horoscope. As per the 2020 astrology forecast, this year will bring you financial abundance and prosperity. The past few years you have been struggling with finances. It will be a relief when there is a constant flow of money from the beginning of the year. All you need to do is to prepare a list of all the debts you owe and pay them up while the finances are available. You will have to learn how to spend your money on only those things that are important. Personal luxuries will only be attainable after all debts have been cleared and you have saved enough to last you another year without struggling. Family and Love 2020 Makar Rasifal. Based on the 2020 Makar Rasi forecast, your love life has been a little difficult for the past few years. This year comes with a ray of hope. Married couples and people in relationships will be able to rekindle the love that has been dwindling for a while now. Venus is in control of the love situation in your life. Love will reign for the better part of this year. This will make you happy because you have been longing to show some proper love to your spouse or partner. There is scope for pregnancy too. In 2020, singles will enter into long-lasting love relationships between June and July 2020. Your family will enjoy peace, love, and harmony this month because the hard times are over. They have been with you through all the storms you have faced. And it is now high time for you to acknowledge their importance in your life. Makar Rashi 2020 travel forecast. Traveling this year will only be recreational and not business or work related. You will travel a lot with your family. This will be a time for you to bond and enjoy each other's company. As per the Makar Rashi 2020 horoscope, you will mostly use air and road rather than rail. You will mostly use the road because of all the road trips that you have planned for this year. Conclusion. As per the predictions for Makar Rashifal 2020, this year will be a year of good tidings and blessings for you and your family. Nothing will go wrong, and everything will work out for your benefit and that of your family.